You ever wondered how those black cars have all those swirls and how they can be transformed to look glossy again? This video I'm going to do a step-by-step on how I took a Ford Explorer that was very swirled up and did a two-step paint correction on there to bring a gloss back into this finish and remove 80-90% of those defects. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe and follow along to learn more detailing tips. This is what we are starting with on this Ford Explorer. As you can see, there's a lot of heavy swirling, and this is what we want to have it appear. So this is how we're going to do it. A two-step paint correction is using a compound and a polish. I'm using Detail Studio Impressive as our cutting compound first. I'm using a Rupus blue wool on this. I put 3 pea-sized amounts on the pad, spread the product around, and start working it in. The speed I'm moving is about an inch and a half per second. You're going to want to cross hatch. So what this is going left to right. After you've done that, you will go up and down, and then you will go left to right again. As I'm doing this, I am applying pencil pressure. I'm not pushing down on this. I'm slowly letting the machine glide across there, and I'm basically just controlling the machine to keep it flat on the surface. You want to work in a 2 foot by 2 foot section on the paint. Now that I have gone from left to right and up and down, I will go left to right one more time. That will be the crosshatch completion. Now let's wipe away the compound and see what the results are looking like so far. I'm using a 70-30 blend microfiber. On black, I don't recommend using the 80-20s you get from the auto parts store. Take a look at the paint here. You can see there is much lighter micro marring in the finish compared to what we started with. We've already cut down the swirls dramatically, but now we're going to go into step 2. We're going to use the final polish. I'm using Sonax Perfect Finish with a white Rupus pad. Again, 3 pea-sized amounts on the pad, working the product in. Going into crosshatch formation again, not as slow. I'm going about 2 inches per second now on the finish of this paint. What's nice about both of these products is neither of them contain fillers. So they don't have any glazes in there, waxes, or anything to fill in. So what you see is what you get, so you'll know what the results are looking. If you want to take a look at the results, you can also use a panel prep to wipe away any polishes to see how the product is going on your paint correction. This process varies from vehicle to vehicle. After wiping that down with the Sonax, you can see we have removed 80 to 90% of the defects, which is typical for a two-step correction on the paint. Here again, this is where we started with originally, and this is what we have now, and a much nicer finish. Now, once you have your paint all corrected, you can apply your favorite sealant, ceramic spray, or you can prep it and apply a ceramic coating. If this helps you, make sure to hit that subscribe, and we'll see you next one.